So, the dropshipping dream, is it still alive in 2025? Many people wonder if this business model still holds potential in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Absolutely. Dropshipping offers freedom and flexibility, allowing you to run a business from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're at a beach, a cozy cafe, or your home office, the world is your workspace. You can test products and niches quickly without committing to bulk inventory. This means you can pivot and adapt to market trends with minimal risk. This agility is crucial in our fast-paced digital world. The ability to switch gears and respond to consumer demands swiftly can set you apart from the competition. However, success isn't automatic. It requires effort, strategy, and a willingness to learn. Late nights, continuous learning, and strategic planning are part of the journey. The landscape is competitive and customers expect quality and fast shipping. Meeting these expectations is essential for building a loyal customer base. Simply listing random products isn't enough. You need to build a brand and offer real value. Your brand should resonate with your target audience and stand out in a crowded market. Focus on the entire customer experience, not just the product. From the moment they visit your store to the unboxing experience, every touch point matters. Dropshipping is a viable path in 2025, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It demands dedication, smart work, and a balanced approach to both business and personal life. It's about building something sustainable, not just making a quick sale. Long-term growth and stability should be your ultimate goals. Find the right products, understand your market, and provide excellent customer service. These elements are the pillars of a successful dropshipping business. If you're prepared to work, dropshipping can lead to entrepreneurial freedom. The ability to celebrate milestones and enjoy the fruits of your labor is within reach. It's about building a foundation for long-term success. This foundation is key. With the right approach, dropshipping can be a rewarding and sustainable business model in 2025 and beyond. Why does dropshipping thrive in 2025? The answer lies in its unique advantages and the evolving landscape of global commerce. Its low barrier to entry is a major reason. Anyone with an internet connection and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit can start a dropshipping business. Platforms like Shopify make starting an online store easier than ever. They provide user-friendly tools and resources to help you get started quickly. This accessibility opens doors for many aspiring entrepreneurs. It democratizes the business world, allowing more people to pursue their dreams. The global nature of e-commerce fuels dropshipping's success. You can reach customers from all corners of the world without the need for a physical storefront. Suppliers and customers are worldwide, allowing you to tap into international markets. This global reach is unprecedented and offers immense opportunities. Technology has smoothed cross-border commerce with improved shipping logistics. Faster and more reliable shipping methods make international trade seamless. The ability to rapidly test product ideas is a significant advantage. You can experiment with different products without committing to large inventories. Trends can appear and disappear quickly, and dropshipping lets you adapt instantly. This agility is crucial in a fast-paced market. This reduces financial risk substantially. You only purchase products after making a sale, minimizing upfront costs and financial exposure. Focus on marketing and brand building where dropshippers can truly shine. Effective marketing strategies can set you apart from the competition. Create compelling product descriptions and run effective advertising campaigns. These elements are essential for attracting and retaining customers. Build a strong brand identity to stand out in 2025. A memorable brand can create loyal customers and drive long-term success. A unique brand story and excellent customer engagement are key. Share your journey and connect with your audience on a personal level. These are skills you can develop. Continuous learning and improvement will keep you ahead in the competitive dropshipping landscape. Let's gaze into the future and explore the exciting hot product trends for 2025. The landscape of consumer preferences is evolving rapidly, and it's crucial to stay ahead. Sustainability is a major driver, with consumers increasingly seeking eco-friendly products that minimize environmental impact. Think reusable household items, solar-powered gadgets, and other innovations that promote a greener lifestyle. Personalization will continue to be a significant trend, with custom engraved jewelry or tailored clothing becoming more accessible. Advances in technology are making personalization easier and more affordable, allowing consumers to express their individuality. The wellness and self-care market is poised for substantial growth, driven by a heightened focus on health and well-being. Home fitness equipment, mindfulness aids, and ergonomic accessories are becoming increasingly popular as people prioritize their health. Products that support both mental and physical health will see a surge in demand, reflecting a holistic approach to wellness. Don't overlook niche hobbies and pet products, as these areas are ripe for innovation and growth. People are passionate about their hobbies and are willing to invest in specialized gear that enhances their experience. The pet industry is massive, with owners constantly seeking new toys, treats, and products to pamper their pets. Finding a passionate niche audience can often be more profitable than chasing mainstream trends, as these customers are highly engaged. These niche customers are often very loyal, providing a steady stream of repeat business. Focus on developing products that align with these emerging trends to capture the market's attention. By staying ahead of these trends and meeting consumer demands, businesses can position themselves for success in 2025 and beyond. Finding your goldmine: cheap products with high profit potential. The sweet spot is sourcing cheap products with high perceived value. This involves good branding and marketing. Highlight the benefits and uniqueness of the product. Think small electronics or clever organizational tools. Problem-solving products are always in demand. If a product solves a common frustration, people will buy it. Look for products with good profit margins. Calculate all costs, including marketing and transaction fees. Aim for a 2 to 3 times markup from your supplier price. Consider accessories and consumables for high markups. These encourage repeat purchases and build a sustainable customer base. This reduces the need to constantly find new customers. It's a smart long-term strategy. Digging deeper. The non-negotiable role of market research. Market research is essential for dropshipping success. Use tools like Google Trends to gauge product demand, explore keyword research tools to see what people are searching for. Analyze your competition to identify market gaps. Validate product ideas with small test ad campaigns. Create a landing page and drive traffic to gauge interest. Pre-selling items can also validate demand. Understand your target audience deeply. Know their demographics, interests, and pain points. Tailor your products and marketing messages accordingly. Create customer personas to visualize and understand them. This focus will guide all your decisions. It's crucial for success. Smart sourcing, finding affordable suppliers for your store. Reliable suppliers are the backbone of your dropshipping business. Platforms like AliExpress offer low prices but require careful vetting. Check supplier ratings and communicate directly. Quality matters to customers. Explore other directories like CJ Dropshipping for faster shipping. Niche-specific suppliers can offer better deals. Always order samples before selling a product. Ensure the product meets your standards. Selling poor quality items damages your brand. Negotiate with suppliers for better pricing as you grow. Build a good relationship with your supplier. Clear communication and prompt payments are key. A good supplier relationship is a valuable asset. Shipping, margins, and success. The final pieces of the puzzle. Shipping costs and times impact profit margins and customer satisfaction. Be transparent about delivery times. Offer different shipping options for customer choice. Carefully calculate profit margins, including all costs. Use a spreadsheet to track numbers meticulously. Know your break-even point for each product. Consider strategies like product bundling to maximize profits. Upselling and cross-selling can boost revenue. Focus on building a sustainable business. Provide excellent customer service and encourage repeat purchases. Continuously analyze performance and adapt. The dropshipping landscape rewards agility and customer focus. Build your business step by step.